day, Tyler here, I'm back off-road. So I've just got this 2020 DAIHATSU HIJET going out. It's just been kitted out for off-road use. As you can see, it's got our full bar, wheels, tyres, lift kit, flares on it. Also the dynamic spotlight and floodlight combo, and also got our tray mount on it. As you can see, this one's a little bit different. It's a jumbo cab, so it's got a lot bigger cab in it. It's an extra model, electric windows. Added advantage with the jumbo is the seats in it, far better seats, and also obviously more headroom and a little bit of storage in the back there. So yeah, she's about to get shipped out. Cam's taking it down to Taupo, and hopefully the customer's all happy with it.
Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our socials, which are linked in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.